This video you will see totally free airdrop, nothing staking, nothing investing, nothing depositing here. So you can easily access this airdrop through your internet and through your mobile. So nowadays a lot of airdrop is kind of like depositing, investing, staking token, therefore they give you something. So now that I'm sharing with you, that is totally free. You can join anywhere, any device, whatever thing you have on your hand. So you need to therefore come into my Telegram for getting offer link. So for getting my Telegram, check out this video's comment box. I put a link there. You can check out that link, and after that click on this link for offer link, and that offer link will bring into this website. And right upper side, if you noticed that connect my MetaMask here, if you noticed, so where at that time you're written by stay written by connect, so click, you need to click at that time connect button and connect your MetaMask and whatever browser you have. So here is after that, uh, if you get any kind of problem, desktop, do desktop mode and come into here dashboard section, and here you will get climb button 1000 points. So this platform, if I talk about this platform is trading platform where people do trade, spot trade, future trade. If you noticed here, if I go trade section, so here is everything is explained. So it's, you can say it's trading platform. You can do as well swap. Here is swap option, bridge option. You need to deposit in this. It's an kind of like exchanger, but it's web3 like, it's not exchanger, it's decentralized exchanger. Okay, so if you come into swap option isn't available inside of this platform. So very soon it will be revealed, it will be launched inside of this platform, because they're given global token. So BefiLabs, if I check out their Telegram X, so I need to search there for BefiLabs. BefiLabs, is that correct? Okay, correct. So BefiLabs BRC20 trading terminal functional with your favorite crypto wallets. So BefiLabs already maybe listed or maybe going to list it. So we are super excited to announce our listing on KuCoin. So you know it's before listing, like after listing maybe give you something. Okay, not before. So Befi will be available on Uniswap. Steady Let's, we are deploying 3 million of stablecoin liquidity on Uniswap. Trading time, they're already listed this token. So climb this point, come into this dashboard section and climb this token, click on there, and it's climbed. Your point is hazarded here. Okay, pretty easy, straightforward, nothing complicated. And after and after ge- and after getting update, I will notify you through my Telegram. Come into here, here is my Telegram link on the comment box. Check out comment box, and this is the video. See you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.